Hello everybody, welcome again with another live forex analysis. So in this video we are going to discuss about GBPJPY for intraday trading. So first of all we will discuss about our yesterday's plan which we given in yesterday's video. If you did not watch that video, please go to our YouTube channel FxFaisal and watch that video. Okay, so we did this analysis yesterday and we said that if market break this resistance then there will be a good buy trade, and if market break this support then there will be a good sell trade. So now we look on this resistance. Market broke this resistance and the candle closed far away from this resistance, and the next candle did not retest this resistance. That's why we did not open any single trade. Okay, so after that if we look on M15 time frame, after that there was a range. Market make a range almost here, and then almost here, and then we were looking for buy trade above this range, above buy or sell above or below this range. So this candle break this resistance, close far away from this resistance, and the next candle comes down to retest and close bearish candle. That's why we did not open any trade and the market comes down. So GBPJPY, and yesterday I didn't get any trade. Okay, so this was the previous day analysis. So now we are going to do some fresh live analysis. Before we do some fresh live analysis, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell button to get notifications from us. In this channel we upload daily live forex analysis and we will share our trading ideas of gold, GBPUSD and GBPJPY also. So first of all we will remove these areas and do some fresh live analysis. First of all we will go on H4 time frame. Okay, so this is the H4 time frame. The market is making a range almost minor support at this point. Now we come on H1 time frame and let's see what's going on. Yeah, there's H1 time frame support level, and let's see how much is this range. This is the support level. This is also a support level. Yeah, but the problem is that there is not enough range for trade. This range is only 13 pips and this is not big range for trade. So I think this will not a good range for trade. And if we look on this, we have a minor resistance level, and this range is almost great. If market break this previous candle high, then there's a high probability chance to go market upside. Just look on M30 time frame. Yeah, I think this will be a good trade. Market comes up, make a resistance, come down to maintain this support level, and now there's a high probability chance to go market upside. If we look on H4 time frame, yeah, I think this will be a good trade. Market will fill these two wicks. Yeah, if market break this previous candle high, then there's a high probability chance to go market upside. And I will look according to risk reward. Your trade should be here, your SL should be below this candle. No, your TP should be, mostly I'm using 1-2 risk reward, but in this trade I think 1-1 will be good. And this trade is only for this candle. If this candle break this previous candle high, if this candle didn't break and the next candle comes more down, then this is not a good trade. So that's why I'm not sure where we will get the entry, but I think below this support level there will be a nice trade if market can break this support level. Otherwise there's a good trade above this resistance. In this range there's not a good trade. So let's see what will happen. So these are the trading ideas of GBPJPY. Now if you want to get exact entry or exit points which we trade, so you can contact us on WhatsApp and join our WhatsApp group. The WhatsApp number is given in the description box. See you in next video. We live analysis. Take care. Bye bye.